Hello Quora users! Today I guide you through the process of logging out from all devices on Quora, ensuring that your account remains secure and that you're signed out from any active sessions. Start by logging into your Quora account using your current username and password. Then navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Security. Here, you'll find options to manage your account security settings, including the ability to log out from all devices. Find the option to log out from all devices or end active sessions. This option may be labeled differently depending on the Quora interface, but it should be located within the security settings. Quora will ask you to confirm that you want to log out from all devices. Review the information provided and confirm that you'd like to proceed with the action. Once confirmed, Quora will log out from all devices where your account was previously active. You'll need to log in again if you want to access your account from any device. And that's it. You successfully logged out from all devices on Quora, ensuring the security of your account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.